gagawin mo sa pera mo 2 years from now na maganda na maraming business opportunity, maraming investment opportunity dito sa Pilipinas kasi merong Asian integration. Kaya nga, di ba, a few months ago, Japan declared that soon they will be lifting the visa for Filipinos. Darating ang panahon, mura na pamasahe kasi wala nang tariff, wala nang trade, wala nang kailangan bayaran sa airspace. Iisa na eh. Mas madali na magnegosyo sa ibang bansa, mas madali na magnegosyo dito. Ang trouble nito, pag nagkaroon ng Asian integration tapos nandito ka, it will be very competitive for you. Because more foreigners are coming here to look for work. Yes. Indonesian company ako. Okay, for example, I'm Indonesian. Pupunta ako sa Philippines to put up my company. Sino i-hire ko pagka hindi ako nakakita ng kailangan ko rito? Pag Indonesian. Eh, paano kung obsolete ka na? Paano pag ang work mo redundant sa opisina? Can you imagine how the economy is changing? Tignan nyo mabuti to. Pag kumain kayo ngayon sa maraming restaurant, may makikita kayo sa dulo service charge. Yes. No, para kanina yung service charge? Sa mga waiters. Centralized ang tawag to. Why? Because ngayon karamihan ng bayad, hindi na in terms of hours, in terms of performance na. What do you mean by performance? Oh, yung service charge, 10% yan eh, paghahati-hatian yan ng mga empleyado. Yung kanilang sweldo, minimum yon. Saan sila bumabawi? The service charge. Pag maganda servisyo nila sa'yo, like me, kahit nakikita ko pong may 10% service charge na, pag nagusto ko yung service ng waiter, nagdadagdag pa. Ang tawag ho doon, hindi na sila paid by the number of hours, but in terms of performance already. See? That's why things are changing. Dati ang bayad sa atin per hour. Ngayon hindi na. It's a matter of your deliverables. It's a matter of your performance already. Come Asian integration, ang daming darating na expat dito. Dito ka nakaposisyon, kaibigan. You're at the losing end. But if you're trying to position yourself right now in networking, nandito ka. Trabahuin natin to. What is 2 years? What is 2 years if 2 years from now you're driving your dream car? Yes! What is 2 years if 2 years from now you have 7 figures in the bank? Yes! Oh. What is 2 years if you're financially free 2 years from now where you can dictate your own lifestyle? Yes. Where you can declare every day a holiday? Yes. What is 2 years? 2 years from now, gusto mong mag-holiday? Holiday ako ngayon. Hindi ko nahihintay ng declaration ng gobyerno. Ha? What is 2 years? Dudungaw ka sa EDSA, traffic, mamaya na ako aalis. You can declare ngayon, pag wala kang choice, pag nagtatrabaho ka. Traffic, may MRT o wala, aalis ka. But if you're financially free, ladies and gentlemen, you run your own lifestyle. What is twice a year, 3 times a year? Outside the Philippines kayo kamag-anak, 2 years from now. Babakasyon kayo sa Korea to experience the snow. Can you imagine? Na habang nasa Korea, dahil may AIM Global doon, nag-network ka din. Di ba ang sarap? Yes! What is 2 years from now, if twice a year, 2 years from now, nagpupunta kayong mag-anak sa Boracay? Boracay. Kasi pag nakita ng mga foreigner yung Boracay, oh, that's Boracay. What is 2 years? Okay, if you're gonna ask me why you have to do networking, it's very simple. It's a matter of positioning yourself 2 years from now. Pagdating ng panahon nito, wala ka pa rin pera, tapos ka. Same complaints of the labor groups that they're experiencing right now. Only the rich are gaining from the growth of the economy. Dalawa lang yan 2 years from now. Either makikinabang ko, isa ka na naman sa mag-complain. It's a matter of positioning yourselves. Dito, ang term ng mga tao dito, wage, salary, tip, loan, cash advance, valid, ATM sanda, pawn shop, 5-6. Yan ang mga term nang nandito eh. Tama mali? Salary deduction. Dito, ibang-iba term naman. Yung mga nandito, alam mo term nila? Ano? Profit, commission, interest, capital gains, equity, foreign exchange, mutual fund, hedge fund, UTIF. Ang dami. Special deposit account. Wala na po tayong deposit ngayon. Special deposit account. Peso balance fund. Oh. Ang daming mga funds. May blue chips, may stocks. O may land banking. Can you imagine? Term pa lang, ibang-iba na, oh. Paano kaya yaman ko? Ito ka lang lagi. It's a matter of positioning yourself 2 years from now, because 2 years from now, ito naman ang kikitain nyo dahil kanya. Now you're gonna ask me, bakit mo kailangan mag-networking? Yan yung masagot. Yan yung masagot. This is not just about making money. This is about your future. The future belongs to those who see possibilities before they become obvious. Alam ba ng mga kaibigan niyo itong Asian integration? Tatawanan ka nila? Mas tatawanan mo na sila ngayon. Sabihin mo pag tinatawanan ka, Asian integration. Pag sinabi, ano yun? Basta. Namatay ka doon. Are you getting me?
Yes!
So it becomes exciting when you know this stuff. Tama ba?
Yes!
Lumalawak yung consciousness mo. You become aware ng pinasok ko, ganyan pala. Akala ko recute lang. Ganyan pala yung pinasok ko na, it's a matter of positioning myself and yung future ko. Guys, kung nasasaktan kayo sinasabi ko, I'm sorry. Pero wala akong ibang magsasabi sa inyo yan, kundi kami. And ang transformation ng buhay depende sa level ng awareness. Kung hindi tataas yung level of awareness mo, hindi mababago yung buhay. That's why we're telling you this. That's why you feel that you're in the wrong direction because being in this quadrant, take the risk. I'm not telling you to resign. Gabi na po, bukas na. Why networking? To summarize, ladies and gentlemen, in summary, employment, traditional business, networking. Capital mo sa employment, 16 years of study. Only to earn minimum wage after you graduate for 15 years. Traditional business, masarap mag-traditional pag may pera ka. Kasi malaking kapital, malaking kita. Problema lang dyan, pag maliit ang kapital, maliit ang kita. Sa networking lang nasira tong prinsipyong to eh. Because sa networking, ang liit ng kapital, pero 24,000 a day ang pwede mong itali. Tanungin niyo yung maraming negosyante, 7,980, ano maaabot nun? Wala. Tarpaulin, business registration pa lang, ubus ka na. Mayor's permit, business, barangay permit, sanitary permit, ubus ka na. Wala. Overhead expenses mo sa employment, meron din naman. Pag nag-network ka, meron din. Pero very minimal kasi kakain ka, mamamasahe ka. Pero ang traditional business, hindi ka pa kumikita, may rentals ka na. May overhead, fixed overhead expenses ka na. Risk, employment, stable, pero limited ang income mo. Dito maraming tao, ang orientation sa risk, mali. Bakit? Most people, anong prinsipyo sa buhay? Okay lang kahit maliit. Basta, sigurado. Okay na to, kesa?
Wala.
Yung thinking na yun, that puts us dun sa tinatawag na mediocre level. Okay na to, kesa wala. Okay na to, basta sigurado. Sa buhay, high risk means high yield. Mas malaki sugal mo, mas malaki tatamaan. Yung iba ayaw sumugal. Wala kang tatamaan pag hindi ka tumaya. May tumama bang meron? Yung meron ka lang, tumama ka. Kakaiba, alam niyo yung meron? Yung nakikinig, nandun lang sa yung nakatayo lang. Pero yung nanonood lang, pero siya tumatama. Walang ganun. Ang tumatama sa buhay yung ay, kaya ka. Traditional business, malaki. Pero sa networking, very low. Because your success here is just a matter of time. Nobody quit. Nobody fails in this business. People only quit. That's why they fail. So as long as tinutuloy mo siya, hindi naman to sprint napabilisan. It is endurance that reaches the finish line. Patatagan to. Ang AIM Global hindi sprint. Alam niyo kung ano siya? Marathon. Lahat nakakarating sa finish line. Basta tuloy ka lang. Skills, kailangan. Yan ang pinag-aralan mo for 16 years eh. Employment skills. Sa traditional business, iba na ang business skills ngayon. Kailangan mo na mag-aral. Minsan nga, yung mga ibang business skills, kailangan mo mag-enroll ng MBA, mag-enroll ng entrepreneurship, BS entrepreneur, na dating mga kursong wala naman. Dati, pag gusto mo mag-business, graduate ka lang ng business ad, pwede na. Ngayon, ang dami ng kurso regarding business. Kasi iba na ang business climate. It's changing. Sa networking, kailangan mo rin ba ng skills? Of course. Pero ang skills na kailangan mo dito, people skills. And it can be learned. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-enroll. You know what? Ang networking, ladies and gentlemen, for your information, started in 1959 in the States. So it's over 50 years already. Sa States, it's being taught. Tinuturo po sa University of Illinois in Chicago. It's being taught in University of Houston in Texas. Here in the Philippines, sa AIM, Asian Institute of Management, 2 weeks crash course. Pinag-aaralan for postgraduate studies. Pinag-aaralan ng CEO, Presidente, Vice President. Sa LaSalle University, 3-unit course, elective course ang network marketing. It's the same way with Ateneo de Manila pag marketing student ka. Meron tayong isang kasama sa AIM Global, and I'd like to congratulate her, si anak ni Tita Judy of Binyan, Laguna, BCO. Gumawa, law student. Ang ginawa niyang thesis, okay, para makuha niya yung pagiging Juris Doctor, tawag dyan sa mga law, ganun eh. Ang ginawa niya thesis, alam mo, case study about network marketing. Can you imagine? And still, a lot of people, hindi totoo yan. Pagbaba ng maraming first-timers natin sa baba, makakakita ng mga gandang kotse. May tatak ng AIM Global sa likod. Hindi totoo yan. They keep convincing themselves na hindi totoo. Time, pag nag-work ka, at least 12 hours a day to prepare for your work. Traditional business, pag hindi ka nagbukas, walang kita. Pero sa networking, pagdating ng panahon, time freedom and saves time. Ngayon, kakainin ng oras nyo, nagbibuild ka pa eh. Pero pag build na network ninyo, ulitin ko, you can declare everyday a holiday. Yes. Paggawa na, network na. Huwag muna ngayon. Ngayon, pag uwi nyo mamayang gabi, sabi mo sa apply, holiday ako bukas. Sabi sa training, I can declare everyday holiday. Ability to achieve your dreams, again, this is 3:97, very low if you're in employment. Traditional business, you can become successful, pero relative yan sa success ng business mo. Pag lumaki negosyo mo, kukuha mo pangarap mo. Pero sa network marketing, very, very high. Ilan na po, AIM Global, ladies and gentlemen, is able to produce more than 1,000 self-made millionaires for the last 8 years. Imagine. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Tested ang marketing plan, tested ang system natin. That's why, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, 50 years na ang AIM Global, ang networking. Okay? The wave of the future, 1999, in-introduce sa Ateneo, sa Asian Institute of Management, sa University of Illinois, Chicago, at sa University of Houston. Can you imagine? Okay, so what's the future of network marketing? Ito, ang tawag dito si Paul Zane Pilzer, sa US Economic Advisor. Ang kanyang background, former economic advisor to 2 US president. And he predicted that wellness industry will be the next major force in the business, reaching about 1 trillion. Ito po, economist, naging economic advisor ng 2 past presidents in the States. Talino. Hindi ka naman magiging advisor ng presidente kung hindi magaling. Naglabas ng libro. Meron siya nilabas na libro na Wellness Revolution. Merong Next $1 Trillion Industry. Tapos may pangatlong book siya ngayon, yung tinatawag na The Perfect Storm. This talks about the wellness revolution. Ano yung trend in the future? And ladies and gentlemen, ano sabi niya? Okay? Bakit natin kailangan paliwalaan? Isipin mo. He completed college in 3 years and earned an MBA from Wharton University in 15 months. He became Citibank's youngest officer at 22. All over the world. Pagdating niya ng 24, professor sa NYU. Pagdating ng 25, youngest vice president ng Citibank. At the age of 26, milyonaryo na. At the age of 30, he has earned his first 10 million. Magaling hindi? Anong sabi niya? Ladies and gentlemen, yan. Economic advisor to President Reagan and Bush. Pilzer, ballsy talk about the wellness revolution. Ano yung wellness revolution? Ito yung consciousness ng maraming tao sa buong mundo na magiging health conscious na lahat ng tao. And na magiging wave of the future, lahat ng negosyo that is related to wellness. Ano yung wellness? It pertains to general health and well-being. Okay? Money spent to make you feel healthier even when you're not sick. Including, ladies and gentlemen, products and services that make us look and feel better. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng wellness revolution. Slow down the effects of aging. Keep us healthy and prevent the development of disease. Tanong, does this sound familiar to you?
Yes!
Familiar ba to?
Yes!
Naman, bakit? Did you know, ladies and gentlemen, out of 200 billion, dati pa to, 80 billion ang gumalaw ng produkto because network marketing. Paul St. Pilzer believes in both these trends, the wellness industry and network marketing. Mga kaibigan, ito yung sabi niya. Okay? Ito yung sabi niya. The next millionaires. And I quote, 10 million new millionaires will be created between 2006 to 2016 in direct selling, technology, home-based business, product distribution, or an emerging trillion-dollar industry like wellness. 10 million new millionaires between 2006 to 2016. Kasama ba kayo dyan?
Yes!
Hindi na kami nagsasabi niyan. Ito na nagsabi. Tingnan niyo mabuti itong statistics na to. And I'd like to expound on this. Why you have to do network marketing? 10 million sa buong mundo. 10 million millionaires. Buong mundo yan. 10% na lang. Ilagay mo sa Asia. Ilang million yun? Ha? 10 million of 10% of 10 million. Kasi sabi ni Paul St. Pilzer, 10 million new millionaires. O, ito yan, buong mundo 10 million. 10% niyan ilan? 1 million. Buong Asia. Ilagay mo na lang yung 10% nasa Pilipinas. 10% of 1 million. 100,000. Buong Pilipinas na magiging milyonaryo between this period. Hati-hati yan. Eh dahil ang pinakamalaking networking sa buong Pilipinas ay AIM Global. Oh. Sa 100,000, marami, paghahati-hati ng ibang kumpanya yan eh. Sabihin mo na lang na mapunta sa AIM Global, 20% na lang. 20% of 100,000. That's 20,000. New millionaires na pwedeng maging milyonaryo sa AIM Global. Kasama ka ba dyan? Kasama ka dyan pag hindi ka nag-quit. Pag nag-quit ka, chori ka na lang.